What's up, dudes and dudettes? Today we're sitting at the beautiful Hotel Del in Coronado Island, and we're at the Lab Coat Agent event. We're gonna go through and meet some of real estate's most heavy influencers, people like this dude over here, and we're gonna ask them what you need to watch out for right now in your business with all the interrupters and all that other stuff. So without further ado, let's go inside and see what's going on, and follow me. Jesse, we have a quick question for you. We're going around talking to a lot of our friends.
All right.
What is the one thing that a real estate agent needs to focus on?
Being that center of influence locally, I think video is going to be a big part of that. And that influence of being that local personality, I think is going to be more important than ever.
Overall, in short, communicating more effectively with technology.
Yep.
And that's like a service with what Jesse's call action does. Thank you very much, dude.
Of course,
appreciate
sir.
the insight.
Appreciate it.
All right,
Thank you.
let's go see what we run into next. What is the one thing that real estate agents need to be focusing on right now? Like, what are you focusing on in your business?
Omnipresence. I know that's a new word, a little catchword for a lot of people, but being everywhere at all the time. With social media these days, you could show up everywhere.
100%. I mean, I don't know how many people that we have to interview and keep telling you guys this, but everyone's saying the same thing. Authenticity, brand, don't forget I exist, be everywhere all the time. Thank you, dude. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
What should an agent be concentrating on?
Being authentic. Honestly, I think being authentic. I know I'm guilty of it. I'm doing like a lot of real estate stuff, and I just need to kind of think outside the box and just kind of be what you've taught me in the past, and I didn't want to listen.
What is the one thing that agents need to be focused on, hyper-focused right now?
People at a high level, relationships at a high level. Any which way you need to get there, you need to be center of attention with your people before somebody else gets your people.
So you're talking about attention.
We're talking about attention. It has to be attention and influence. That's your one thing that you need.
We're standing at the Lab Coat Agent event, day one, and there's been a consistent theme here, but I already know what you guys are thinking. I don't even want you guys to think that I'm staging this or I'm making it up. So we're gonna go around right now to a bunch of random agents we've never met before, and we're gonna see what they think. Ready? Follow me. All right, so we're here meeting our first guest, and what we want to know is, Toronto, I want to know exactly what is the theme of today? What is the one thing every agent should be concentrating on?
Be yourself, be authentic, stick to being yourself. Quit trying to impress anybody, quit trying to meet the norm. Step outside your box, step outside your comfort zone, just like I am right now.
This guy's talking about attention. Let's go see what everyone else is talking about too. Come on. What is the one thing you should be concentrating on?
Video.
Video? I like that answer. All right, we're going over here now. Kathy Waters. I'm not psychic. I just saw your name badge. This is just live shit. It's not supposed to be scripted. Alright, so I'm here. Provost, I'm here. Papa, you gotta have one. Alright, sometimes you just gotta do shots. Look, I already get it. You're not like sold that you have to be on camera. Well, I'm just gonna let you know what all of your competitors are doing in your local marketplace, because they're all here right now and they're coming for you. And if you don't understand that, well, I'm just gonna let them tell you. What is the number one thing that you know you need to go back to your market and take care of?
Video, video, and more video. If you weren't even here, I would say video, video, video. Yes, people need to be seeing my face in a more authentic way. I need to not just show them the good stuff.
So you're talking about brand.
Yes, brand development and creating a brand and showing that through the videos.
I'm not making this shit up, yo. It's just happening. Yeah. So, what did you think? I told you that there's a couple things that most real estate agents should be focusing on 2019 and going forward, and a lot of them have to deal with creating media or attention around your brand. Now, if this video didn't show you why you should be calling a dude, then I don't know what to tell you, but all I do know is that it is time to drink, and we have a long day, and we're gonna go celebrate at the party that's gonna be right here. I'm gonna go have a drink. Peace, cheers.